Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can get Data Agent AI to web search N8n, so let's get started. First, create a new workflow and select the chat message trigger. Then add the AI agent node, which will act as the brain of our bot. For the model, we'll connect OpenAI iChat model, so you'll need an API key. And then, select your model now that the brain is ready. Let's give it memory. Add the simple memory node so the agent can remember previous conversations. Next, let's give our agent a superpower, web search. Add an HTTP request node as a tool and paste in the OpenAI custom search API endpoint. To use it, you'll also need a search engine ID or CX value. Go to Google's programmable search engine page, create a new engine that searches the entire web, and copy the CX code from the snippet. Paste it back into N8n. For the final setup, add the query parameter Q, and let the model define the value automatically so it decides what to search for. That's it. Save your workflow and test it out. Open the chat and ask, "Can you perform a web search?" The agent will confirm. Now try something real like, "What are today's top tech news?" And instantly it will search the web and deliver the latest headlines. Congratulations, you've just built a fully web-enabled AI agent with N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.